Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is OKX Web3 wallet. So to get started, the OKX Web3 wallet stands out in 2025 as a powerful non-custodial gateway to the decentralized internet, designed for both beginners and experienced users. As a self-custodial wallet, it puts you in full control of your private keys and assets across over 120 blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many other, eliminating reliance on a specialized entity. Its core strength lies in its comprehensive feature set, a built-in app browser for seamless interaction with thousands of decentralized applications, and integrate with DX aggregator that optimize swap across 500 decentralized exchange for best rate and a robust NFT marketplace. The wallet also boasts a user-friendly interface, seamless integration with the OKX exchange for easy transfer, and features like learn and earn program, making it an interactive, attractive option for exploring DeFi staking, yield farming, and even accessing early exposure to new coin. Despite its extensive capabilities, potential users should be aware of a few considerations. While generally praised for its security features like advanced blockchain security and anti-pinching system, past incident and compliance-related account freezing, especially for unverified users and those with suspicious activities, have been reported and causing some user frustration and highlighting the need for vigilance regarding the KYC requirement. Some users have also noted minor technical glitches like app data loss when running in the background, or difficulty using a very small amount of token for a gas fee. Crucially, as non-custodial wallet, the ultimate responsibility for safeguarding your recovery phrase rests entirely with you, as loss of the phrase means permanently loss of your fund. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Give it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.